Hey guys, just want to quickly show you how to remove people who are following you from your Instagram. This is a new feature that's been cropping up on accounts that you might have. So let's go ahead and open Instagram. And typically you'll start on your newsfeed. So if you go to your profile and then click followers, you'll see a list of people who are following you. If you want to remove the dud accounts who don't interact with you, might be robots, might be spammers, just in general, if someone's following you and you don't want them to be following you, there's this new little feature. You click those three dots and it allows you to remove follower. So let's go find someone that looks like a spam account. I don't know. There we go. This one, I don't know who that is. Remove. He's no longer following me. And that is how you remove followers. Hope you found that helpful.